Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of Heating and Cooling Essentials. Before we begin our presentation, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support, from our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as answer keys, editable lesson plans, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. Digital users for Heating and Cooling Essentials will have access to ebook content, online lab workbook, videos, animations, follow the heat animations, troubleshooting activities, a new HVAC virtual toolbox, and digital companion website. The Digital Companion website is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Heating and Cooling Essentials is a thorough, easily understood, and up-to-date textbook for those entering the refrigeration, heating, and air conditioning field, or HVAC. The text is a practical blend of theory, on-the-job skills-building procedures, and customer service soft-skill training. It is designed for use by first-year students in HVAC programs at career centers, technical schools, adult continuing education classes, or community colleges. This text may also be used in apprenticeship programs and can serve as an excellent reference for working technicians. The content of this textbook provides a solid foundation in the fundamentals and integrates practical service procedures with technical theory. The book is a complete and accurate guide to performing essential service procedures on many types of systems. Heating and Cooling Essentials is written from a service technician's point of view, but the service experience is appropriate for the introductory HVAC student. An important aspect of heating and cooling essentials is its emphasis on career information and workplace skills. Chapter 1 covers an overview of the HVAC industry, explains why HVAC is a good career option, and discusses different career paths in the HVAC industry. Also discussed are some of the physical, cognitive, communication, and technical skills needed to be successful in the HVAC industry. The 6th edition of Heating and Cooling Essentials has been updated to reflect key changes in the HVAC industry, improve the instructional design, consolidate the book's focus on fundamental theory and skills. New Chapter 3, Safety, covers essential safety guidelines and industry hazards relevant to introductory HVAC technicians. Updated Chapter 15, Refrigerants, includes a thorough introduction of refrigerants. This chapter was updated to integrate zeotropic refrigerants and A2L refrigerants. New procedure features throughout the text highlight step-by-step instruction for key processes performed by HVAC technicians. All learning outcomes, summary items, and end-of-chapter review questions are aligned with the corresponding section in the chapter, allowing for instructor flexibility in presenting and assigning textbook content in the classroom. A heavily updated lab workbook now includes chapter review questions for assessing comprehension of chapter content and over 70 lab activities for hands-on practice of key procedures and skills required for entry-level HVAC technicians. Updated digital assets include HVAC videos and animations with related assessments and a new HVAC virtual toolbox. Each chapter opener contains a list of learning outcomes, a list of technical terms, and an introduction to the chapter. Learning outcomes clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be gained when the chapter is completed. These outcomes are labeled and correlated to related assessment questions to facilitate reporting and remediation. Technical terms list the key words to be learned in the chapter. Introduction provides an overview and preview of the chapter content. Updated illustrations are designed to clearly and simply communicate the specific topic. Photographic images have been updated to show the latest tools and equipment. Additional features are used throughout the body of each chapter to further learning and knowledge. Safety notes alert you to potentially dangerous materials and practices. Cautions alert you to practices that could potentially damage equipment or instruments. Procedures are highlighted throughout the textbook to provide step-by-step instruction for key processes performed by service technicians. Pro tips provide advice and guidance that are especially applicable to on-the-job situations. End-of-chapter material provides an opportunity for review and application of concepts. A concise summary provides an additional review tool and reinforces key learning outcomes. This helps you focus on important concepts presented in the text. Know and understand questions enable you to demonstrate knowledge, identification, and comprehension of chapter material. Apply and analyze questions, extend learning, and develop your abilities to use learned material in new situations and to break down material into its component parts. Critical thinking questions develop higher-order thinking and problem-solving abilities. The Heating and Cooling Essentials Animation Library includes 25 animation clips to supplement and reinforce classroom instruction. High-quality animations and crisp narrations enable visual learners and struggling readers to clearly understand the content. The Heating and Cooling Essentials Video Library includes 75 video clips to supplement and reinforce classroom instruction. High-quality video footage and crisp narrations enable visual learners and struggling readers to clearly understand the content. The Heating and Cooling Essentials Follow the Heat animations includes 57 animation clips to supplement and reinforce classroom instruction. HVAC troubleshooting activities prepare students to be critical thinking technicians who diagnose HVAC system issues. Lab Workbook now includes chapter review questions and over 70 lab activities for hands-on practice of key procedures and skills required for an entry-level HVAC technician. These activities provide students with an opportunity for self-assessment as content is presented or assigned. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Visit www.g-w.com to learn more about heating and cooling essentials for your course.